Hello everyone, I hope you're all doing well. Today, I'm bringing you some disaster incidents that will leave you shocked. These are events so unbelievable that you wouldn't believe them unless you saw them yourself. So, let's get started. Stay with us. On the evening of June 16th, 2014, an unforgettable natural phenomenon occurred outside the town of Pilger, Nebraska. This footage, recorded by a GoPro mounted on a truck, gives us a raw, up-close view of the storm's sheer power.
Mile-wide tornado, and then we have these horizontal vortices.
Two incredibly monstrous tornadoes showed up together, tearing through everything in their path in a split second.
Rotating around each other. Again, we are west of the storm, so please, if you think this is a safe job, it's really not. You got to be, in a safe place.
With winds reaching up to 217 miles per hour, the tornadoes threw the residents' lives into chaos. Watch this video where two cars collided due to reckless driving. In this video, you will see how reckless movement puts someone in danger. Always be very careful while moving around. If anyone knows the condition of the person after falling, please let me know in the comments. In this video, this scene looks absolutely beautiful.
Oh my god.
Look at how many large rocks have fallen. Even though they don't seem that big from a distance, they are huge up close. They fell with such speed that you wouldn't even believe it. Seeing the rocks fall like this made everyone nearby feel anxious about their safety. The rocks that fell from the front were very large, and they fell heavily. The biggest ones came from there, but no one understood why these rocks fell or when the rockfall started. People from the forest came, and when they couldn't find a reason, they said it was all happening naturally. Even if it were to stop, they thought it would still happen. This situation cannot be protected without proper precautions. Everyone at the beach was feeling anxious. Thankfully, no one was harmed. Everyone was safe.
What the?
For those of you who drive trucks, please drive with caution because an accident can happen at any moment. For those of you who drive cars, make sure to check everything before getting out of the vehicle. Otherwise, something unexpected could happen to you as well.
Mickey Blue Eyes on the tee.
Oh my god!
Bro, I think your car is driving away.
Oh!
Watch how mischief led to an unexpected disaster. The people living near the mountain were all watching, wondering why rocks were suddenly falling. As they kept thinking about it, they realized that it was happening naturally, something no one could stop. In this video, the trucks are standing still as rocks fall from the mountain. Watch the action unfold. This situation occurred because a few days ago, some people from the forest came and cut down nearly 1,000 trees inside the mountain. As a result, such conditions developed on that side of the mountain, causing fear among the nearby residents. The situation was truly alarming, but thankfully no one was harmed, everyone was safe. In this video, you will see how rocks fell onto the road and how dangerously they were dropping. Just watch for yourself. If a car ended up in such a condition after being hit, imagine what would happen if it fell on a person. Thankfully, no one was harmed that day. So if you ever go outside during such landslides, you must stay cautious. Otherwise, it could lead to a serious disaster. Stay safe, everyone. Watch how the fire in California looked from the road. It was a terrifying sight, and the people nearby were very scared. However, thankfully, no one was harmed. Hey bro, have you seen how they drive? Those who are in the car are actually putting their lives at risk by being inside with drivers like that. But thankfully, no one was hurt. Everyone inside the car was safe. Hey bro, did you see that funny moment? The dog completely knocked down the pillar.
Oh my god. No. No, no. What the hell? No.
This. Okay. That was like the first time. I'm gonna hold on to here this time because I rolled my ankle.
You have to help me get up there.
For those of you riding bikes, please ride very safely because being on an open road can put someone in great danger and you never know what might happen. Thankfully, those who fell were safe. The little kid was making a video in such a way that he could hear the sound of the train. Please be careful during such moments.
That's true. Let's get
This is the situation that occurs when someone gets into trouble while trying to show off. The water pressure was so high that it even lifted a person. Don't forget to be cautious around such high pressure water. Thanks for watching. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up and share your thoughts in the comments below.